Our group name is Oh My God, and the name of our group project is Guardians of the Art. And there are 5 members in our group. And so I will introduce myself first. My name is Susanna, and I'm from School of Liberal Arts. Uh, I'm studying in English. And how about others? Please introduce yourself.
My name is Nalindri Ben. I am from the Economics under the School of Management.
Hello, my name is May Heyman. I am studying economics and I'm from School of Management.
Hello, my name is Kawan Phong That. I'm from School of Liberal Arts and I study English.
My name is Bhumajo. I'm studying economics and so at the School of Management.
So why did we choose the topic? Um, there are 3 reasons why we choose the topic. First is environment awareness and education. And the second is generation of social and economic benefits. And the last one is reducing environmental impact. So the main reason is we want people to understand the importance of protecting nature and encourage them to adopt eco-friendly habits. And we know that education is the first step to creating long-lasting change in society. Uh, so that's why we chose this topic.
So, well, we have already done module 1 to module 4. So, first of all, I'm gonna go with the module 1. Well, so we are, before everything, we have to, we created our group and also we give our topic, we give our group name like OMG. It means like, oh my god. It means like infinity. So I'm gonna go with it. Well, after that, we introduce our group and our group members, like individually. And after that, we meet outside, especially at the landing space, and we talk each other, and we meet each other, and after that, we go with our like we allocated our task and we walk together and individually as well. After that, we check each other task, and after that one of our group members submit our assignments to the teacher. And
I'm gonna talk about the module 2. In module 2, we learn how to create and edit Google Forms. And also, we practice editing different types of questions like multiple choice, short answers, and even fine uploads. We also customize the font by changing colors and theme to make it look more professional. And then the next step is like sharing and collaboration. We learn how to share our fonts with other people, and then we can add collaborators and manage who can edit or view the font. And then we also practice response management. We use validation to make sure answers were correct. And then we learn how to review responses inside the font and how to link them to Google Sheets. So the data is more organized and easier to analyze. And then the next step is like we learn how to control important settings. And for example, we can limit user to one response each, and we can stop responses automatically after a deadline. These settings help manage the font more effectively.
Module, we learn how to analyze and survey our data we collect in Module 2. We work with Google Sheets. So first we organize and clean our survey data, and we learn basic function basic function and formatting to manage our data effectively. Second, we We learn about resource. We access videos and guides to help us understand how to analyze and visualize data. And after that, we make a graph. We use charts and graphs to visually represent our survey results, and this helps us see patterns and insights more clearly. And after that, we submitted our final work.
In Module 4, we focus on turning our analyzed data from Module 3 into clear visual using Google Data Studio. The process has 4 main steps. First, we bring our analyzed data from Google Sheets into Google Data Studio. Second, we create the first page of the report where we show basic information like the number of respondents using scorecard and chart. Third, we add more pages for the questionnaire analysis where we use advanced charts such as comparison and map to make the result easier to understand. Finally, we combine everything into the final report, which represents our finding in a clear and interactive way.
So this is everything we have learned, and thank you. Bye bye.